Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have some Avon empties for you. Usually I do my empties this like everything's all together and I do a big one, and I just decided from now on pretty much the only empties I'm primarily going to focus on are my Bath & Body Works empties and my Avon empties, you know, since those are the ones that I primarily use everything up. If I use something from another brand that's not Avon or Bath & Body Works and I think it's like amazing and I need to talk about it, then I will, but for the most part, just going to focus on Avon and Bath & Body Works from here on out. So this isn't a lot of stuff, but I just wanted to show you because you guys see me hauling Avon all the time, and I want to show you that I actually am using the stuff that gets purchased. You know, it's important to me to show you guys that. So the first thing, this is pretty old, but we've had it for a while. This is it's kind of grungy, the Moisture Therapy body lotion in the daily skin defense. It was the 25.3 ounce size, so it's just a big bottle of lotion. That's all it was, and Keith used it primarily. It got like pretty dusty and stuff being in our bathroom forever. but yeah, so pretty much we just used it as like a moisturizer for everybody, but mostly probably him, and I think he might have used it on his dad sometimes too when his dad's skin was so dry and itchy. So yeah, but we have more of those. I think we have 2 or 3 more bottles, so yeah. And then I just finished this up today. This is the Elastine PropoliThera conditioner in the moisturizing formula. I think damage repair, that's what it's called. So that is this. I haven't cleaned up the bottle. You know, stuff gets grungy in your shower, and I know I probably should have wiped it down and everything, but I didn't. So I ended up finally finishing this. I finished off the shampoo a while ago. So and this is, how many ounces is the 16.9 fluid ounces. I really do like this whole line of Avon hair care from Avon. So it will be a repurchase for me. They have another type of it besides the damage repair. They have the volumizing, and I'm not sure if I want to try the volumizing or just stick with the damage repair. I don't really know yet what I'm going to do. But right now I'm also working on the Elastine hemp RX or whatever it is, hemp RX shampoo and conditioner. So I've got to get through that before I need to purchase the Elastine PropoliThera again, but I'm definitely planning on it and at some point, because I really like it, and I don't like the hemp as well as I like this one, the PropoliThera, excuse me. And I also I use the PropoliThera serum too. That's something else I use, and I want to get the hair mask. I just keep kind of forgetting to get it. I've used a sample of it, really liked it. I just keep forgetting to get it. So this I put in there. It's not used up. This is an Avon Magix Wand foundation stick, and the color in this is coconut. I've been using my Magix Wand sticks a lot lately, and this one, for some reason, I bought them all at the same time, but this one dried up. It goes on my skin, but I really have to tug to blend it, and I don't want to tug on my skin. So I went ahead and just trashed it, and I've been using the other 2 shades instead. I don't know what it was, because like I said, these were all purchased at the same time, so I don't understand what made this one be more dry than the other ones, because the other 2 are working just beautifully, so I'm not really sure what the deal is with that. And then I used up 2 of the Perioe Black Bee, Royal Black Bee Honey Mint toothpaste. You see me all these in mass quantities all the time, and when I tell you guys that this is my favorite toothpaste, I am not lying. I love it. So I finished up 2 of these. I didn't realize there was 2 in my empties bucket. I was like, I knew there was 1, and then when I got to digging, I'm like, wow, there's 2. I've been using it like crazy. And that is going to be obviously a repurchase for me for sure. And then this is the SuperShock Volumizing Mascara. This is the one in the teal tube. I don't really care for this. I gave it another try. I had used it when it first came out years ago. And then I was like, well, I want to try, you know, to use them again. Some of the other ones besides just reaching for the Love at First Lash all the time. So I went ahead and I grabbed this one, and I just don't, it's not my thing. It's okay. It's not bad. But for me personally, it doesn't do anything. So, you know. And excuse me, and then I have 3 foil sample packets of the Mission Luxereve. I have 2 in the cream and 1 in the serum. So the Mission Luxereve is our fancy skincare line that's like in the hundreds of dollars to use. And so I purchased some samples and I wanted to kind of get a feel for it and see what I thought about it. And it is a really nice, I did use, this was the end of what I used. I used quite a few. I think I used a couple, I think I used it for almost a month, you know, straight, just in the sample form. But it really nice. I particularly liked the serum quite a bit. I really liked the serum. But I can't justify the price point at this time for myself. Not besmirching anybody else that does it. You know, I say go for it if it works for you and you got the moolah, then you just have a ball, you know. But for me, it's not, no, I don't need it. And they are coming out with an essence too. The Mission line is going to have an essence in it. So that's kind of exciting. I'm interested to try that, although I probably won't end up buying that either. So I don't know what's the point. So I didn't have a lot this time, but I had a few things. And I'll link what I had in the description section below to my e-store so you can check it out and see if you want it or are interested in it. The two things that I would say are the best products I really love out of this Empties would definitely be the PropoliThera conditioner and the Australian Black Bee Honey toothpaste. I love this toothpaste. Things you get excited about as an adult that you never thought you would get excited about when you were like a kid. Like when I was a kid, I was like, I never thought to myself, oh, I can't wait to be almost 51 years old and rave to people on the internet about my toothpaste and how much I love it. but I do. I do love that toothpaste and it's great, you know. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this and found it helpful in some way. Question or comment below, and I will see you in the next video. And my chair's squeaky.